Hi, my name is Jake Walker. I'm a customer service rep here at CRC Distribution. Here we stock a wide range of variety of products from metric and imperial sizes, chrome shafting, mechanical tubing, honed ID tubing, 1018 hot finish, aluminum round solid, ductile iron. We can cut and ship any of these materials to your specific size for that job and ship it the same day 99% of the time if we have it in stock. Here we have one of the largest size of honed ID tubing we carry, and that is the 1026 DOM seamless, the 12 by 14 inch with the 1 inch thick wall. Here on the bottom, this is our stock aluminum, the round T6061. They come as 12-foot lengths from the mill, and we cut those to length as well for your piston needs. For the chrome shafting, we use typically U-cut ready pack boxes, and they're the 8-ply white cardboard boxes you'll see when you get our product. Very strong material. You don't have to worry about any damage while it's in transit. And we staple those together with 2x4 blocks that we cut here. And for the honed tubing, we wrap that in corrugated cardboard and shrink wrap the ends and tape them together to make sure they make it to you without being opened. Over here is where we stock our component parts. Pre-machine, pistons, head glands, some of the head caps, spherical bearings, and we'll show you some of those over here. Of the aluminum pre-machine head glands. Here we have our MPT ports. We carry those in a wide range of sizes, and the weld-on ORB ports. We carry those in the straight and the 90 degree, as well as the MPTs with the 90 degree. A few more items that we do carry. The threaded head caps and the OD on the cylinder. And also the pre-machine butt plates. I carry a large amount of these just as a convenience, so if you don't have to machine them yourself. And a lot of our pistons here, we carry these. We also have the seal kits for the pistons as well. A few more items, yes, we do carry the threaded nuts as well, the nylon lock nuts, and as well as the standard nuts. And with most of our head glands, as a convenience, we do carry the seal kits that go to each of these glands. We have those in stock, so when you order your glands, you can get the seals too.